Welcome back to the channel, Mississippi Girl Life. Alright, y'all, so this is another Prepper's Pantry stock up video. We ain't playing, y'all. We ain't playing. So, last couple videos, you saw some things that Oronde had got from our food line, one of our local grocery stores here on the East Coast. And this one right here is what I picked up, okay? So, as you can see, we have a lot of different meals right here, okay? So first, let's get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Alright. Hopefully that's it. Wait. Alright, so okay. So I picked up these chow mein noodles, okay? The reason being is they was marked down $1. These are quick meals. Y'all know that in an emergency situation I talk about eating healthy as possible, okay? I know with these meals, if I add water, I don't have to add that sauce pack. That's where a lot of the salt and stuff like that is in the sauce pack, okay? 1,340 milligrams, 58% of your daily value of sodium. All right, so I don't have to add that, but in an emergency situation, that's only 58% of your daily value. And if you don't have any issues, and you can take the normal amount of sodium, which I think is 2,300 milligrams, but if you have like blood pressure issues or something like that, or you know, whatever it may be that makes you have to have less sodium, I think it's like 1,200 milligrams or something like that. You know what your doctor have told you, okay? And I think a lot of the salt comes in the pack, okay? But
use half the pack.
Use half the pack, or don't use the pack at all. Use your own seasonings. But this is already dehydrated vegetables and noodles. Quick. So sometimes you have to buy things like this and make them healthy yourself, okay? Healthier. So they was $1. So I went on and I wiped it out.
You did what?
I wiped it out.
Why?
Cause I needed it.
There you go.
And everybody want to play, and they don't want to go get it or whatnot. I'ma get it the same way I did when I was an extreme couponer. I got there that morning. I got up out of the bed early, whether it's cold or not, and I got there and stuff was on the shelf. I'm going to get what I need to get for my deal. Because you should have got up early too. Some people had to maybe go to work or something like that. But a lot of people sit up and do everything else they do and then go later. This ain't no time. When I tell you we ain't playing, we ain't playing. We stocking up. This is staying ready, so we ain't got to get ready. Not too much, okay? Because we won't be extremely prepared, okay, for stuff. So I wipe them out. This is teriyaki chicken flavor. This one right here, and it is chow mein, okay? So I ended up getting what was it? 14 of the teriyaki chicken, okay? 14 of these at $1 each. All right. I got 2 teriyaki beef. This must have been the only ones they had, because I was looking for more of these. Yeah, I only got 2 of these. Now let me just say this, I wiped out the ones that was not spicy. They did have some spicy ones, and I'm just like, I know I'll eat it, the kids will eat it, and the kids have GERD. They have acid reflux too. So it was acid reflux, and then it turned into GERD, just like me. So truth be told, he has GERD. Yes, he do. He got sick one time, had to take him to the hospital and all this. And when I took him to the hospital, the guy was like, the doctor was like, "When you were here like a week ago?" I said, "Yes, sir. I saw you a week ago." He said, "Yeah, you got the GERD we was talking about, because the doctor have GERD too." And I had to take the cocktail and drink or whatnot. And after they checked him over, did sonogram, did ultrasounds and all that, they found out he was having a flare up from GERD. And the doctor told him, listen to her. because she knows she deals with this. Did he not tell you? He said, listen to her.
I ain't have to take no cocktail drink.
You have to, no, but he told you to, because I have it really, really bad. You had a flare-up of it because you ate that Widowmaker burger, and then you got up early that morning, ate them habanero hot wings that you had ordered the night before, and it got you. But he was like, even my the medicine I take is famotidine, 20 milligrams per Pepsi AC is what it is, over the counter. He was like, he told him to take the same thing, and he told him to listen to me. You think he listened to me? So truth be told, he has GERD too. So I didn't bring no spicy none in here. So I left the spicy ones. I thought I left the spicy ones. Because it had like the big bowl ones that were saying hot and spicy, and I didn't get them. So I said all that to say this. Teriyaki beef, I only got 2 of the regular ones. Ended up, when we was putting this stuff up here, spicy teriyaki beef. So, see, I got 2 of the regular ones, and then I ended up getting 7 of the spicy ones by mistake, but that's fine. Moderation, okay? Did I say today is February 27th? Probably did. Today's date is February 27, 2025. You're going to see multiple videos we in the same clothes, because we started filming this like the late night of February 26th, because 2025. So we're batch recording right now. And then when we start filming the other one, it's over. It's over until the wee hours of the morning, the next morning, that we're still up filming for y'all, okay? So trying to get these things out. So you'll see a lot of the same clothes stuff, same day stuff, because so much is being done, and I just want to break these things down for you. Alright, so what? 7 of these. Alright, so then moving on, I had the guy that was in the store. He was looking at me like, is she crazy right now? I was getting it, honey. So got these cups was $1. They the stir fry. This is Korean barbecue flavor. Stir fry style Asian noodles and sauce, and it say no MSG. I am sensitive to MSG. No. It do not,
None of them have it.
None of them have it, because I used to couldn't eat the yakisoba. Yep, no MSG. That's what it say on the thing. Because MSG messes with my GERD. I can't have none of that stuff. It won't digest well. So, cup noodles, stir fry is the brand. Korean barbecue. How many did I get of these?
6.
6 of these. And they was $1 on sale. Okay.
Bam!
And if you notice, this is cheaper than the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree is $1.25. That quarter adds up, y'all.
Real quick.
That quarter adds up. It just is what it is.
Be messing with my penny bank.
Oh, Lord, see. Yeah. Okay, so the next one I got is the teriyaki beef flavor, okay? The brand is still stir fry cup noodles, alright?
Version of this.
The chow mein ones. Sodium in these is 1200 milligrams, 52% of your daily value, okay? Now these, I think they don't have a packet. I think you just add the water to this. But like I say, that's a good way to get sodium in if you're not eating this and then eating 2 or 3 of these a day in an emergency. You eat one of these, you got a good amount of sodium in, okay? 52% of sodium. Let the rest of your stuff not be heavily processed and highly high in sodium, and that way each day you can have something like this, and then maybe have rice and whatever else you'll have that's lesser in sodium, so you don't go over you don't want to get to the 100% max of your daily value of sodium, okay? I don't need nobody having no issues.
You're gonna have to drink a lot of water.
And then that's bad, because if you take in a lot of sodium, then you're going to get fluid, because the sodium going to make you retain the water. And then you're going to be worried with fluid on you. So you don't want fluid on you. So just don't overdo it in the sodium, okay? So I got 5. It was 5 of these. 5 of these teriyaki beef flavored noodles, okay? 5 of those. And then ended up getting this flavor, and like they had some spicy ones and I didn't get those. This is teriyaki chicken flavor. Yep, like you said, the another brand version of these.
That's the stir fry, and that's the chow mein.
Yeah, this is the chow mein, and these are the stir fry. And this one got 1,180 milligrams of sodium, 51%. I didn't say it in this one. This one got 1,010 milligrams, 44% of sodium. Okay, so each one of them have different amounts of sodium. One thing about it though, this has 3.3 milligrams of iron, which is 20%. 20% of iron. How much is
3.1.
What percentage is that one?
15.
15% of iron in that one.
3.0. 15.
15% in this one. And 3.3 milligrams, 15% in this one. Okay. Let me see if these have iron too. How we do? Oh, this one got 5.3 milligrams, 30%. And it has potassium in it. So, hey. Yeah. Let's see what this one. This one got this one got 7 milligrams of iron, 40%. And see, many girls have to take iron supplements daily. The iron we are on is high potent iron. And it is, we take 5 mLs, which is 1 teaspoon. It is 694% of our daily value. That's how low our iron is. Okay, well, we have to take 694% a day of iron. It's high potent, and 1 teaspoon gives us that amount per day. So yeah, so it could be worse, right? We'll take that low iron and get it right, because that's fixable. You don't want to create nothing else by having a whole lot of salt, a whole lot of processing. That's for anybody. You don't want to do that. So that is why, you know, I'm getting the things that I'm getting, because I know how to, you know, watch that, okay? Finesse it, as he said, okay?
And address it and dress it.
Oh, Lord. So,
I got something to say.
oh, he got something. Zip it down. Zip it, okay. All right.
The movie scene was in my head, but it done left. But people are probably gonna say, excuse me, MGL, we want to do it healthy. Nothing here is unhealthy if you know what you're doing. You do not, for no circumstance, need to use the packets for these ones. These ones already come with like the seasoning dressed in it, but that's nothing more than getting the water in there, getting it to the consistency you want, and pouring it off, pouring half of it off, filling up some more water, and now you've taken away half that stuff. But here's the point I want to make. When you're in a situation, a crisis, or anything of that nature, sometimes for your mental, you want a sense of normality. So this can help you mentally while you're in the middle of that crisis. And for some people, it would take them and pull them back from the brink of giving up. Just having one of these, a break in the norm of whatever they've been eating or whatever they're going through, that's a moment where they can sit back, woosah, eat something they're familiar with, regroup mentally, physically, and boom, get right back at the fight of whatever you're facing. So yes, in some of the other hauls you see, we've got different items that is not like this, but this is something that will help you. It will feed you physically, and in some cases, for some people, it'll feed you mentally.
I was trying to make sure it was recording. I can't see the record because I ain't got my glasses on.
But that's what I had. I just want to let people know.
Well, also, expiration date on them.
Damn. Best Buy 8/2/25, 12/18/25, 8/15/25.
And those will be good past that expiration date. You know, it's not canned items and stuff, but as long as they stay closed and still, they'll be good past that expiration date.
1/27/26.
January 2026 for those. January 24th, 2026. Are they the same? Yup, January 24th, 2026.
1/25/26.
Yeah. And we're in February of 25. So
Damn.
so yeah, so I mean, and so for everything here, I paid $39.78. $39.78. You can't beat that with a stick, okay? You can't. Good stock up.
How many items did you get?
39.
Really?
I don't know how my taxes was 78 cents and I ain't complaining.
Really?
But 39 items and I paid $39.78. That's some cheap tax.
Shush your mouth.
Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Alright, so yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it was motivational and inspirational for you. I hope you was inspired to go out and stock up on some food and stuff. So yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that we upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if this God's will. Pray and prep. Okay? We'll talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye.